Welcome back to another Bitcoin price report. It's not good news. I mean, I'm still long-term bullish, but short-term I'm bearish. And I think it's almost becoming undeniable now that we are entering some kind of downtrend. How long is this going to last for? A few weeks, a few months, who knows? But we've been in, let me show you my long-term chart first. We've been in this long-term channel for a long time. And when the price is around about here, that's when I was getting really worried. I'm like, look guys, this is not looking good. This was about a month ago. And unfortunately it broke that. And then, I thought, okay, let's try and see if we can revive the situation. So I drew another channel, this red one. And that one's broken through too. So this target here it's probably not going to happen anytime soon. And I could be wrong. But for me, I'm looking at the charts and yeah, I think we've stretched this long-term trend out for long enough, and it's been a good trend because if you look at it, it started way back here, and it's been a good couple of years. So we have been in an uptrend for a long time, and when you have a long-term channel that's been broken like this, it's difficult to say, okay, look, this is the downwards channel. I'm going to draw a couple of trend lines and I'll make them red to indicate that it's a downtrend one. And then, yeah, we're just going to have to see as we get more and more data. I mean, it could just be a thin channel. I mean, what I'd like to do when I've got channels like this, I like to just copy and paste them. So it could be something like this. And so let's see. And this would be a great place for a bounce, this 72K area. A lot of people are talking about that. So unfortunately, we are in a downtrend. And yeah, we're just going to have to suck it up. I don't like to use that word. This other chart that I've got, you can spin this as many times as you want as well. We've broken that long-term trend line, and I said for a long time that was my Gandalf level. When that breaks, I'll be worried. And I even played with this one as well. I even just dragged this over here. And if you do that, it does change the picture very, very slightly. We're kind of just still sitting on it. So there's still a glimmer of hope. But, I'm being realistic. I do think this run is over for now. If we look at my indicator, the sell signal was, over a month ago. And if you listened, cool. You can buy back in now and you've probably got 20% more Bitcoin. Let's have a quick look at ETH. I made a video on Ether a few weeks ago as well. I said, look, we've got these different trend lines, and as they break one by one, there's different levels. So, yeah, really, this is kind of like my target now for ETH, this 2.5K level. I'm just going to move these along. But worst case scenario, I'd say $2,000. It really does depend on Bitcoin. Because if Bitcoin does hit that 72K level, then, yeah, ETH is going to crash hard. But yeah, this isn't the most optimistic price update, unfortunately. Alts aren't actually looking that bad still. We can have a quick look at Bitcoin dominance. It is falling, which is good, but the chart that's rising is the stablecoin dominance one. So that's it from me today, and I'll see you in tomorrow's update.